Okay, this video is for those who want to distribute jar packages to the world. Okay, so you would have written a program, that program you would have liked it, and you think people might like using it and how to distribute it. So that's the thing I just face with this thing. Like it's called ING, like ING stands for in memory JSON store, right? So and this is written with what to say, a language called Clojure. And I don't know what happened to my internet. I don't know why my internet slows when this OBS or something is running. So, or even when a Zoom runs, my internet slows. I don't know what's the problem with Mac. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, but yeah, like and look, I just wanted to distribute this software. It is a instant backend for front end developers, and I am learning front end, and of course. Uh, learning being a backend developer and doing front end is a super pain. Okay, and while I'm learning front end, I also need to develop backend just to learn it. That was super pain, and I just thought, okay, like why can't I just develop an instant backend and that'll just work for almost most of the front end needs. Okay, so I just did it, and I had a problem how to distribute it. Like I just put it online, and some people thought like, okay, like front end developers are dumb and they can't run a jar file and all those stuff, right? Of course, yeah, they were all like 30 plus years old people, and those are the people who sit in armchair and what to say, offer consulting, and they don't really code. Okay, so that's the thing. But yeah, like okay, then, like they just said it. Okay, so and so I just tried a stuff called J package, right? So in my Mac, I just executed it, and that's what to say. And that my jar file is like kind of 20 MB or something like that, but this gave me like 500 MB of stuff that runs on Mac. Okay, so and it's there, like you can like what to say, like traditional Apple application, you can just launch it and it just runs, and I can just query it to Visha, right? So let me just put like okay, so and it works. Okay, so that's how it is. So and I can just stop it by force quitting, right? So that's how. Look, it's good. Okay, look, it's good. But the thing is, it costs 500 MB to download. Okay, so I was just looking at some ways like how to do it. And before that, I just tried this thing, like a thing called native image that was there in this Graal VM, right? But Graal VM seems to be Oracle controlled, and I don't know the pricing and all those things. And I did ask some stuff in Graal VM page, and they were saying like some, yeah, you need to pay if you're doing something commercially and all those stuff. But they didn't say how much. $5 a month, $10 a month, $1,000 a month, or like they'll ruin my business whenever they want with licensing. They didn't say that. Okay, so it was all fuzzy. So I didn't want to use it, and of course it's been controlled by evil Oracle. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So yeah, I was just looking how a way to do it, and I just thought like, okay, like so I just what I did was, when humans fail, what you do, you go to AI, right? So I just went to ChatGPT and I just said, look, I just have this jar file over here, right? So and I just want you to download it to. I just want you to write a shell script that will download the jar file, right, and run it with Java. Okay, so if it finds Java, it'll run it. Okay, okay, and that's what it'll do, right? So okay, check if jar file is already present. Okay, right? Okay, and where is this check Java is there, right? Okay. First, it'll check for Java. I'm sorry, right? So it'll just check for Java, right? And if Java is there, okay, fine. Not, it'll just use the Java, and it'll just download this jar file and run. Okay, so and in this download also there is a thing like, okay, like if the jar file is already present, why download? Just run it. Okay, so that's the thing. And if Java is not present, it'll install Java, like depending on your OS type. Like for Linux, there is like both Arch and Debian things are supported. And for Darwin, okay, and then this is Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, so that's the thing. Um, okay, like, and of course, it's saying like assuming you went to DB. Oh, okay, this I didn't see. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT wrote for me, right? And so what it'll do is it'll first check Java. If not, it'll install Java. And in Mac, if you're not even having a homebrew, this will first install a homebrew. And I even went and checked all these stuff, like whether this is not all, but I even checked this in this brew.sh. Okay, so where is brew.sh? Okay, so brew.sh, right? And yeah, the same URL, like it didn't dream up. Okay, so it did put the same stuff and all those things, and what to say, and things are good. Okay, so things are really good, and what to say, like I'm really happy, like what happened with all this, and I can just with just this one script, I can just where is the script? So with this one script, I can just download and run it. So if I just put it right, so what I can just do is like, okay, like yeah, I'll just put it over here. I already have this file downloaded, so it'll start running. Oh no, it's downloading the new version. Okay. No, 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 Java is already okay. It already exists. Okay, so okay, like the Java is already installed and the jar file already exists, so it's running it. So that's how it is. So maybe like okay, like this project is over here, like in okay, like Codebug, and then okay, like where is it? Okay, wait a second. Okay, where is the code? Yeah, it's over here, right? And in this there is a project called run, right? And this is the stuff, run in g.sh. So all you just need to do is like to download this file, and then change, if you've got a jar file, yeah, like this assumes that there is your jar file is there somewhere in public repo in internet, so just put it, right? And then give a name for your jar file, right? So that's the thing, right? So it is the same stuff what is over here, right? So just give a name, and then that's it. It just then you can just distribute your own script to run your jar files on what to say, like Mac, uh, Ubuntu, Arch, that is like GNU Linux, as well as Windows subsystem for Linux. So yeah, pretty neat stuff. Okay, and I'm just happy with it, and I just want to share it with the world, right? So that's the thing. I'm very much impressed with ChatGPT, right? So that's the thing. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Until we meet in next video. Bye.